Hey guys, and welcome to another dance tutorial. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do the shoe dance. No, I'm just kidding. This is the super popular dance called the shoot dance, or the block boy dance, or the block boy shoot dance, whatever you want to call it. But it's so popular that the computer game Fortnite decided to take those moves as well. So let's start. I think we should start without the jumping, just so that we don't get tired too quickly. So instead what we'll do is just we'll kind of bounce, bend our left leg instead of jumping on it. I think I'm also bending my knees when I jump. Yeah. Whenever I get down, I bend my knees or my left knee. Okay, so the right leg is saying back, kick, back, kick, back, kick, back, kick. So we start on and we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, let's move on to the arms. The first one, keep them stiff here, or you can also do the bended version. Let's just do the stiff one. So the arms are saying back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Pretty easy. So we start on and. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So let's try with the legs, the arms and the legs. So we start on and. Arms back, left leg or foot is up here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's move on to the second part. Second part, the arms are saying up here. Just gonna show you from the front here. Here, arms just saying up, down, down. It's like a hammer, 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 hammer. And the legs are saying, again, kick, and kick, and kick, and kick. So with the arms, throw it up, kick it, back, kick it, back, kick it, back, kick it, back. So again, we start on and, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now it's important to notice that I'm going a bit down, bending my left knee here, left leg. So I'm saying down, straighten it, down, straighten up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, let's try to combine it all. So we'll say 1, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, without jumping. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so let's practice the jump. I think it would be easiest if you just kept your leg up here, your right leg here, and then you just jump like this. And then you'll probably notice that I'm leaning a bit back to keep the balance. I think you'll do that automatically. Yeah. Probably when you do this, you don't need to lean back as much. Yeah, only this one. Now it's a bit difficult to do the jumping slow, so we'll have to try to practice this one faster. Or if you're not comfortable doing it that fast, then just try to do it without the jumping. And then once you can do it fast, without the jumping, you can add the jumping. Yes, so let's try with the jumping. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, that's it for this dance move. I hope you guys learned something. And also, if there are any specific dance moves that you want me to make a tutorial out of, then please comment below and let me know. Thanks, and thanks for watching.